Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Skyblue Credit Honest Review. So Skyblue Credit is a credit repair service, so it's not a hack or a shortcut. It's basically a paid service that helps you challenge mistakes on your credit reports and organize the disputes process. Now, credit repair in general works like this. If something on your report is wrong, incomplete, or can't be verified, you can dispute it, and the credit bureau generally has like 30 days to investigate, sometimes longer in specific cases. But the key reality check is that accurate negative info usually can't be removed just because a company is involved. So results depend a lot whether there are real errors to actually fix. Now, what Skyblue looks like right now, so based on what we're seeing and feedback regarding the company and the details that are publicly available right now, well, pricing on their site shows three tiers. So $79 for the basic, $99 a month for full service, and $119 per month for premium. With couples pricing too. So they also push 90 days money back guarantee, but they're careful to say it's not a promise of a specific outcome. More like if you're not satisfied, you can request a refund within 90 days. So cap at what we actually paid in that window. So, where the honest review part comes in is the pattern in feedback, major review rundowns, and commentary regarding the service. They often point out that Skyblue doesn't flood the bureaus with unlimited disputes. Investopedia notes a limit of 3 disputes per month, which can be a pro or a con depending on what you expect. On the what people say side, so Business Insider, if you're going to fix their or if you're going to check their website, they mentioned Skyblue averages around the 4.2 from the 500 plus Google reviews, and it calls out that most common negative feedback or negative theme is the lack of results. Now, that lines up with what shows up on forums on Reddit or Reddit threads too. So, some people describe quick early movement on smaller items, then things plateauing when the bigger negatives are accurate. So collection, charge-offs, staying put. So yeah, others say they paid for months and couldn't get certain late payments removed. While a few posts say they did get a couple of late payments removed, but not everything here. Now on BBB, Sky Blue Credit shows an A plus in their rating, but it's not BBB accredited. And the BBB complaints page shows a small number of complaints if you're going to check that. So BBB currently displays 3 total complaints in the last 3 years, 2 close in the last 12 months. Now the complaints examples that are published tend to revolve around billing and refund expectation and the proof of work results disagreements, with Sky Blue responding and giving their side of the timeline here. So the clean takeaway is that Sky Blue Credit gets a lot of positive feedback around support and guidance, but the negative experience tend to cluster around expectations, especially when someone expect credit repair to erase accurate negatives. So or expect fast, dramatic changes, and that's honestly just the nature of credit repair. Now, it's strongest when you're fighting real reporting errors, not rewriting history that's accurate. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.